Ever wondered which animals top the list of dumbest in the world? In the next few seconds, you'll be astounded by nature's most clueless creatures. First up, the turkey. Believe it or not, they can drown just by looking up during a rainstorm. Next, the kakapo. This flightless parrot from New Zealand often forgets to hide from predators. Third, the sloth. It's so slow that algae grow on its fur. Lastly, the panda. They sometimes forget how to mate, endangering their own species. Nature has its quirks, doesn't it? Like what you see? Subscribe for more.